remember, Caroline, I think you get inspired by this Egyptians or the from the Italy or something, if I remember properly. Yeah, so you use such kind of designs here in your fashion week?
Yes. I'm very much inspired by the Grecian draping.
Okay, yeah, that's what I missed, I guess.
Right, and this is what I used in the collection again. I blended it with the 1920s look, okay, and I embroidered the dresses in geometric patterns. Okay, this is what was done in the 1920s. So I mixed the 1920s with the French historic and the Grecian as well. Some aspects of the French and the Grecian blended in with the 1920s dressing.
Wonderful.
Oh, I love color. Okay, and I always like my collection to show a lot of beautiful colors. That's why I always dye the fabric to the color that's in my mind, to the color I find most attractive. I mix two colors like
so you do it yourself?
Yes. Okay. I dye the fabric and I get it dyed and according to how I want it to look like.
Okay.
So I dye pure silks and pure satin georgettes because pure fabric catches a color better than the artificial.
Okay.
So this is how I come up with really rare colors that you don't usually see elsewhere.
So Caroline, do you go in hunt of such kind of material, the colors? How do you do it?
see, I observe things, okay, and that's how I get...
No, but do you go in hunt of such material?
Yes, yes.
I mean, in India or abroad?
Most of my fabrics are Indian and imported.
Okay.
Okay. And yes, I do a lot of research on material, where they are available, and the blends of material. That's how I come up with something really different.
Let's welcome the designer, Sherilyn Escobedo. round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful show choreography by Shakir Sheikh.
Okay, it was nice talking to Sherilyn, and I'm sure you've watched her fabric, her designs, and you've liked them all. So if you have any queries for Sherilyn or for me, please write into me. Till then, take care and goodbye.